Hey YouTube people, in this bag we got 40 bird's eye peppers, and this is going to suck, but I'm going to beat that Chili Dave bitch on YouTube. Yeah, I brought your name out there. You did 33 of these. I'm doing 40. I don't know how well I'm going to do it, but here goes nothing.
Just handful it, man. That's gonna be your best shot.
He's gonna die.
Drop one.
No, he's not. Just chomp him, man, or else you're not gonna get past. Just one handful gone.
You said 30, I said 40.
Yeah. Chili Dave, eat that. You can see the sweat just coming out of your pores.
Jen, can you put just me and Olivia on this one?
Yeah, me and Olivia.
Woo! Yeah! I just did it. In your face, Chili Dave, bitch! Go fuck yourself. My mouth is actually not bad. It feels like the same as yesterday. But I am crying, yes. You tried 40.
No, I wouldn't.
Oh man. Giving birth might be painful. This is just hot.
Wait until after.
How long?
It's 3 minutes.
Isn't it usually intensified?
It's already at its peak.
If you drink water or milk or anything, it just makes these ones worse. It's just... I can smell it from here.
Wow.
Chili head Josh.
I love how you give me a dirty spoon. Has it been 5 minutes?
No, almost 4. We'll stop it at 4 though.